made a zombie movie or show trailer, and it's gonna come out February 2016. Hopefully, that's when it's gonna start.
I say it's gonna be pretty good.
It's better than The Walking Dead. His mom said it was good. It's gonna be much better. It's really cheesy.
On Sunday, it's gonna be good though, because Sunday is season 6. Well, 15 seasons.
And more than 6 episodes this season. Bye.
Fear the Walking Dead sucked. I mean, it was good.
Bye. We're going bye.